it's just amazing to see a city come together to sing together, to unify like that. It's just tremendous. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling.
From an early age, from the very, very young to the very, very old, there's no discrimination between men, women, or whatever creed or colour you are.
It means a lot to me, actually. It's just good to see the flag actually come to the city. I don't actually live in there anymore. I moved away to Scotland a couple of years ago. I'm just back for the weekend.
Loads and loads of people coming to the city, so it's going to be a really exciting opportunity for people to get involved. And yeah, it's just great to see it this year, you know, because so much good stuff's happening.
Great entertainment, friendship, meeting people, wonderful. Singing.
There's music there in the Derry air.